Okay, let us solve the remaining problems. If log b to the base a is equal to 1 by 2, log c to the base b is equal to 1 by 3, and log a to the base c is equal to k by 5, find the value of k. Okay, here you have to follow another property. So if any logarithm of x to the base y is given, this can be written as log x to any base z divided by log y to any base c. So this is another property. As far as logarithms are concerned, you have to remember these properties. Once you are able to apply these properties and solve the equations, then it will be easy for you to solve it. Okay. So now let us rewrite the given question as per this condition. So log b by log a is equal to 1 by 10. Assume the base as 10. Assume base 10 for all the cases. Okay. Next, log c by log b is equal to 1 by 3. Next, log a by log c is equal to k by 5. Now we shall multiply all these cases, that is log b by log a into log c by log b into log a by log c. So which will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into k by 5. We shall rewrite again log b by log a into log c by log b into log a by log c is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into k by 5. So here all the logarithms will get cancelled as the base is common for all the case. This will get cancelled. Therefore, this is k by 5 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 5 into 6, 30. Answer is option A, 30. Next question. If log 2 is equal to 0.30103, find the number of digits in 2 power 56. Okay. Whenever the question comes with number of digits, you have to find out the logarithm, and from logarithm you have to evaluate characteristic. We have earlier seen what is characteristic. We shall quickly revise and come back. We know that logarithm of a number mainly contains two parts. One is characteristic and another one is mantissa. For such kind of problems, we will be dealing only with characteristic. Okay. Here, characteristic is the integral part of the logarithm. And for example, if a number is having 3 digits here like this, then the characteristic will be 2. And if a number is 2 digits like this, then the characteristic will be 1. That is, log of 46.5 will be starting with 1 point something. And log of this 348.25 will start with 2 point something. So this is what characteristic is. So when you know the characteristic, you can tell what is the number of digits. Similarly, here if it is 0, it will be only 1 digit here. So the number of digits will be characteristic plus 1. I hope this is clear. So with this introduction, let us solve the problem. Here for example, if logarithm of a 4-digit number, that is 7432 is given, then this will start with 3 point something. Similarly, logarithm of a 3-digit number 464, this will start with 2 point something. So here this 3 and 2 are called characteristics. So based on this, we can evaluate what will be the number of digits in the logarithm term. Okay. So here they are asking find the number of digits in 2 power 56. So what we can do is log of 2 power 56 can be calculated. This will be having some x point, some remaining decimals. So this x will be the characteristic and number of digits will be x plus 1. Okay. Now let us find out what is log 2 power 56. Okay. Here the logarithm is always with respect to base 10. Therefore, we shall solve log base 10 2 power 56. This can be written as 56 into log 2 to the base 10. So this is 56 into 0.301. We shall solve only up to this portion. 301 into 56. 1 6 is 6, 0 is 0, 3 6 are 18. Next, 1 5 is 5, 0, 3 5 are 15. 6, 5, 8, 6, 1. If you take 3 decimals, then it will be 16.856. So 16.856. Here characteristic is equal to 16. Number of digits is equal to 17, that is 16 plus 1. Okay, so the answer is option C, 17. Option C, 17. Next question. The value of log 125 into 625 divided by 25 to the base 5 is equal to. Here all these numbers are powers of 5, so we shall try to solve based on that. Log to the base 5. 125 can be written as 5 cube. 625 can be written as 5 power 4 and 25 can be written as 5 square. So here we can cancel it inside the logarithm. We can cancel this. So finally the answer will be log 5 power 5 to the base 5. So this can be written as 5 into log 5 to the base 5. We know that logarithm of any number to the same base is equal to 1. Therefore answer is 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. Answer is option B, 5. Next question. If log x to the base of 10,000 is equal to minus 1 by 4, then x is equal to. Okay, here you have to take antilog on both sides, or you have to raise this minus 1 by 4 in the power of 10,000. Let us write the question. Log x to the base 10,000 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x will be equal to 10,000 to the power minus 1 by 4. So this can be written as 10 power 4 the whole power minus 1 by 4. Now we can multiply the products. So this will be 10 power minus 1. This will get cancelled. So minus 1. So answer is 1 by 10. This is equal to x. Option A. Next question. Which of the following statements is not correct? Okay. Here if you see the option A, log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. This is correct because log of any number to the same base is 1. And next is log 1 to the base 10 is 0. This is also correct because logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to 0. Next, option B, log 2 plus 3 is equal to log 2 into 3. Let us check it. Log 5 is equal to log 6. This is what they are saying. This is incorrect because log 5 and log 6 will be different. No way it is related. So this is the wrong answer. We shall check the last option also. Logarithm of 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to log 6, which is equal to log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. Here whenever logarithm is given in terms of addition, we can directly multiply the numbers. Log of 1 into 2 into 3. So which is equal to log 6. So both are matching. So option D is also correct. Only statement which is incorrect is option B. So the answer is option B. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.